CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.6, Explain the troubleshooting methodology. Implement the solution or escalate as necessary. Once you have established a plan of action, according to Step 6 in CompTIA's troubleshooting process, it is time to implement your solution. The biggest concern with implementing a solution is minimizing disruptions and obtaining authorization. If you did a thorough job while establishing your plan, it will include detailed steps, required resources, and most importantly, a rollback or backout plan should things go wrong. Having these items in place will help the implementation process run smoother. Your job at this step is to cause as little disruption to the systems in place and their users as possible. In larger environments, it may even be necessary to seek authorization for a change. This authorization might come from a supervisor or a change advisory board. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.